Hello guys, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm Maintenence, and today I'm going to show you the best way on how to do interlocks on your natural locks as a way of maintenance. So welcome guys. I've already done most of the strands. So guys, remember that today we are not doing instant crochet. We are doing interlocking as a way of maintenance. So guys, you can have a look how my interlocks looks like towards the scalp area. Remember, after some time the hair gains body and freezes, thereby coming up with this kind of lock strand over time. So let's begin guys. So I'm gonna pick my lock strand, quickly try and separate the roots, try and do a clean parting. So let's do parting here. And just to tip you guys, before you start your interlocks, you need to treat your locks so that you can pump in moisture as well as relieving the scalp in readiness for the next hair treatment. So after doing the interlock guys, we are going to lock in moisture using certain oils which I'm going to show thereafter. So it's very important, it's crucial guys to kick off with treatment. And mostly guys, I usually do the leave-in treatment, and make sure that the leave-in treatment that you are using does not leave the hair slippery. I'm using this milk leave-in treatment, and just for the sake of you guys, let me try and apply some. I had already done the treatment. So whenever you apply the treatment guys, usually try and massage it and spread it to the strands as well. That way, massage it gently on the roots and spread it to the lock strands. That was just tipping more about the procedure that I followed before I started the interlocks. So let's kick off. After separating the roots and managing to pick up the ingrowths, let's do the interlocks. Guys, you can use this crochet latch, or else guys, you can as well use this crochet tool. So I'm gonna use this one guys. So let's begin. This is my first interlock guys. I'm gonna do a 3-point turn. That's my second and third. Then I'm gonna repeat the procedure as well, all the way to where we had started, that way. Then repeat the procedure until you are done with the growth, that way. So after reaching this point guys, you realize that our lock strand now becomes tight at the scalp area. If at all you are left out with something that looks like a lump here, you can use your instant crochet to freeze the lump. Gently push your crochet to and fro to freeze such lump. And now this becomes our interlocking maintenance. So let's do the next strand all together, just for the sake of our beginners guys. I'm gonna elaborate further. Whenever you wanna do the interlocks and you don't want to use the instant crochet, what method are you supposed to use guys? In order to avoid the lump at this area, try first and loosen this area like that. Then start your interlocks. Let me use this crochet latch this time around. Make sure that your interlocks are firmly pushed back that way. Make sure your interlocks are firmly pushed back, as well as adhering to the 3-point turn that way, all the way back, guys. This is the best way to maintain your locks. This is the procedure that I usually do on my hair maintenance, all the way to the back. So after reaching this area, guys, we realize that our lock has been done all the way to the roots, and no any swelling which has been left out along the length of the strand. Our strand now becomes smooth, and in order to maintain such kind of smoothness, whenever you do your retwist, the next retouch, guys, I will be giving some tips thereafter on how to follow the patterns that you did the other time as you were doing the interlocks, in order to come up with the lock strands which seems to be smooth without lots of hair that is poking out of the main lock strand. So let's separate the roots that way, just for the sake of our beginners. Guys, remember that we said in order to make sure that you don't come up with a lump at this particular end and you don't want to use the instant crochet, make sure you lose this part. Then pick your hair strand. This is how you usually use this kind of crochet. Pick your tip, insert it, then lock it. We have part of locking the lock strand on this particular tool. Then start your interlocks. Make sure you push your interlocks back that way. That way, guys. Remember, guys, I'm doing a 3-point turn. I'm doing a 3-point turn all the way to the back. So I hope, guys, you're getting me clearly. This is the way to go. Remember, guys, to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my work, comment, and share to your friends. You can as well, guys, join membership as a way of supporting the channel. And that's our lock strand. You can have a look, guys. So the hair will gain body. Don't worry about the volume of the hair strand at this level. So over time, the hair will gain body. As you continue to pump in moisture, the hair will bounce back and bring that frizzy nature. So let's continue, guys. Next strand, let's use this crochet latch. Make sure you push back your interlocks so that you can come up with neat lock strand. Remember, guys, we are doing a 3-point turn. So stay locked, guys. I'm going to show you how to manage the hairline when doing the interlocks. So all the way to this level, then this becomes our last interlock. Can I have a look, guys? This is a nice way of maintaining the lock strands since it doesn't involve wax. Guys, through this method, you can be able to wash your hair at home, awaiting your next retwist. Alright, guys, we are done. we are done with our Interlocks. You can have a look how our scarf looks like. And now we are going to do the oil application. Now guys, remember it's kind of hot oil treatment. This is a combination of 6 oils, guys, which are very essential, which have got as many nutrients as possible to the hair. So let's apply. Remember guys, this soothes the scalp as well as offering some relief, having in mind that we aren't done Interlocks, so we need to relieve the scalp. Remember guys, this is a nice combination. It's a nice blend of oils which contains lots of essential nutrients to the hair and the scalp as well. Make sure your oil, guys, is evenly distributed along the lock strands. That way, just to lock in moisture, which we hand pumped in using the treatment as we began on the locks as well as the scalp. That way, guys. So guys, let's do some ornamentation just to add beauty on our locks. Now this one is Jamaican flank, guys, and it's very beautiful. Just slide in that way. Now let's do the hot oil spray. And that's all, guys. Now this becomes a nice way of doing hair maintenance without using the wax. And guys, I'm sorry I didn't show you, as I promised, on how to manage the hairline. And I wanna give another tutorial soon, and I will be showing clearly how to manage the hairline. So stay locked for more tutorials to come, guys, and thank you for being there. Thank you guys for being there. Thank you for watching my tutorial to the end. I hope my tutorial, guys, was quite informative. You can kindly consider sharing my work to your friends. Guys, you can as well join membership on my channel as a way of supporting the channel. Like my work, comment. Thank you, and stay locked for more tutorials to come.